Here in Australia, the driest continent on Earth, we know about barren landscapes. We also know that when we put the right amount of water in the right places at the right times, things change. Water management, meeting the special watering needs of every plant, flower, shrub and tree without wasting a drop.
I don't have to worry about anything. It's just fully automatic and it's really great.
Quality is important because once you install something on these grounds like this nature, you don't want to go and look for it every second day. You want it to be there, look good and, you know, be forgotten.
Every lawn and garden has specific watering needs, and what we're best at is finding out what those watering needs are. So it's not just a matter of going in there and putting in an irrigation system. We listen to the customer and we find out exactly what his watering needs are.
They explain to you the theme of what they're doing, from the actual components itself to what actually happens on site, so that from my perspective I've got an idea of what the end result's going to be. Not
knowing anything about a watering system at all, I left it basically up to the company to design it, because I had a few little suggestions, like, you know, a plant may need more water, but I left the whole designing process and everything to them.
If you get called away for a couple of days from your home, and you know when you get back that the gardens and the lawns have been automatically watered and no dead spots.
What they tend to do is hire the most experienced people that they can, and the thing is that they work with a team, not only on site but also in the office, so that the office is actually talking to the field people, and that's very, very important in that business.
There's never any dead spots. They just overlap slightly, all the sprinkling, and it's just one green lawn.
Personally, I find that you actually, when you enter the place there and you talk to the boys, that you feel really wanted and that they really want to solve your problems, which is good news nowadays.
I like to go there with my problem and have it solved, not go there and say, look, I'll give you a call back in half an hour. It needs to be solved while I'm there, and that's what I enjoy about it.
They appeared on time the day they said they'd come. They left no mess, and 10 days later I mowed that lawn and I couldn't even see where there'd been trenches dug.
A backflow prevention device is fitted to prevent contamination of the household water supply.
We offer a 2-year warranty with our installations. It's a genuine 2-year warranty, which means on all parts and all labour.
If you use inferior quality material, you just can't give a 2-year warranty because you'd be calling back time and time again.
They give you the option of lots of different makes and models, but they really remind you of quality is the best, and at the end of the day that's where you save real money.
Well, our equipment is first class. We only use suppliers that back the 2-year warranty that we give our customers.
It goes in, it's in there forever, and not to be played around with.
And the rain sensor automatically switches off the system on rainy days.
It's a little fella that sits on your guttering, and when it fills with water, the automatic sprinkler stops, and when it dissipates, the automatic sprinkler starts again, so you're not double watering your lawns.
Where we are, we're open in public, and when the sprinklers are on, it's raining, people drive past and what those idiots are watering. So with that situation, we have it adjusted very sensitively, so when the rain comes, it goes off and we're no longer idiots. It is good having a rain system, but it saves you time and money eventually.
Because the end result is that if you use that combination, being organised, using quality equipment, the system works.
If you're too cheap, you don't stay there, you can't pay your bills. If you're too dear, you don't get recommendations. So if you hold nicely near the centre, you're there for the long run.
We've got a lot of pride in our after-sales service. We feel that once we're finished and we're paid for, it's not over there. We have a long relationship with our customers.
I would recommend Water gladly. If you've got any problems with any irrigation or water problem, go to them.